What up, YouTube? Manly Machine's back with another one. Aren't these beautiful? So this is gonna be quick, easy. Something I found on Amazon of all places for $28, and they're brand new. I haven't seen them yet on any other car, so we're gonna install them today on our 2017 Charger and see how they look. For the price, who knows? They could look terrible. They could look great. And they go right here. It's the silliest thing, but on this Daytona, I think it makes it look great. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put these on real quick. I didn't want to have to shoot a whole damn video about it because it's really not that big of a deal. But I just like the way they accent the back window. To me, that's really, really nice. This is nice too. But anyway, so I'm gonna try to set this up with a tripod or something. I don't know. I mean, this shouldn't be something I have to do a video on, but 3M adhesive. I like to use these lens wipes. I don't know if you've ever seen these. They work perfect for cleaning windows, especially when you're prepping for something like 3M adhesive to stick to it. Make sure you clean the window because you're not gonna be able to get under it for quite a while. So when it does get nasty, you're gonna be unable to access the window. Kind of simple. Just peel off the 3M adhesive. Once you have the adhesive peeled off, make sure the window's dry from the wipes and commit. I love them. I think they look awesome. For 28 bucks, I'll run them, and if I get tired of them, I'll take them off. Let's do the other side real quick. Two sides to the wipe. Make sure you get rid of all your imperfections too. If you've got anything sitting on that window, it'll stop the adhesion. Second verse, same as the first. Skills that pay the bills. Almost had a little mess up there at the last second. For 28 bucks. I haven't seen another Charger with these yet. And I think on the Daytona, with all the added flair, they just complete the look. You figure this is an homage to a Daytona racer or the Daytona car, then this almost absolutely completes that look. Hell yeah. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Nice, quick and easy, 28 bucks. And I think it makes it look a little different. Now, I don't think I'm going to put the louvers on the back because the back window's tinted. I just think I'm going to run those. I think they look great. All right, that's it for this episode. Guys, thanks a lot. Like and subscribe. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got to go mow the grass.